SAP is just one software. Actually, SAP works like an entire company inside your company. Every department has its own module, but all departments are connected and work together. Today, let's understand the organizational structure in SAP in a very simple way with a car manufacturing company example. Organizational structure in SAP defines how a company is arranged inside the SAP system. In SAP MM, it mainly includes company code, plant, storage location, purchasing organization, and purchasing group. These elements help SAP to understand how the business is structured and how procurement transactions should be processed. Without organizational structure, SAP cannot process business transactions correctly. Let's take one simple example. ABC Motor Group is a car manufacturing company. At the top, we have the company. Company represents the overall business group. Example, ABC Motors Group. Under company, we have company code. Company code is a legal entity that maintains its own financial records. It prepares the balance sheet, profit and loss statement, tax reports, and other financial statements. For example, ABC Motors Group has two company codes, ABC Motors India and ABC Motors USA. Both can have separate company codes because each country may maintain separate financial records and legal reporting. Next comes the plant. A plant is an operating location where production or manufacturing activities take place. It also represents a place where materials are stored or distributed. For example, in Bengaluru car manufacturing plant, we may have storage locations like raw materials, engine parts, tires, paint materials, finished cars, and spare parts. This helps SAP clearly identify where each material is available inside the plant. Now, let's talk about the purchasing organization. Purchasing organization is responsible for purchasing materials and services from the suppliers. For example, ABC Motors may purchase steel, tires, engine, paint, electrical parts, tools, and machines. The purchasing organization handles supplier negotiation, pricing, purchase orders, and supplier management. In SAP MM, every procurement process is linked with purchasing organization. Within the purchasing organization, we have purchasing groups. In SAP MM, every procurement process is linked with purchasing organization. Within purchasing organization, we have purchasing groups. Purchasing groups represent individual buyers or procurement team. For example, one buyer may handle tire procurement, another buyer may handle engine parts, another buyer may handle electrical components, and another buyer may handle office and maintenance items. So, this is the basic SAP MM organizational structure. Now let's take one simple real-time example. ABC Motors Bengaluru plant needs to purchase 1,000 tires for a car production. In SAP, the transaction will use company code ABC Motors India, plant, Bengaluru plant, manufacturing plant, storage location, tire storage location, purchasing organization, ABC Motors purchase team, purchasing group, tire buyer, vendor, tire supplier. Based on this structure, SAP knows which company is buying, which plant needs the tires, where the tires will be stored, and who is responsible for purchasing. Now, let's connect this with the SAP MM procurement process. When ABC Motors Bengaluru plant needs 1,000 tires, first purchase requisition is created. Then, the purchasing team may send an RFQ or request for quotation to suppliers. After comparing supplier quotations, a purchase order is created. Once the supplier delivers the tires, good receipt is posted. After that, supplier invoice is verified through invoice receipt. Finally, the vendor payment is processed by finance team. This complete process is possible only when organizational structure is maintained correctly in SAP. So, as a beginner, always remember, organizational structure is a foundation of SAP MM. Once you understand this, SAP MM becomes much easier to understand. At Rice Infotech, we explain SAP concept with real-time business examples so that even beginners can understand easily. Follow Rice Infotech for more SAP concepts explained in the simplest way.